In this video we will learn about travel approval in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the travel module on top navigation bar. So here you can see travel approval form. Here you can see all the filters for selection criteria of approvals. In the grid below you can see a list of requests. Employee details, request type, status and other detail of requests can be seen in grid. Click on detail pop-up to view the requisition. You can either approve or reject any request and enter comments. If selected approved, system will show a small pop-up indicating that the request is approved.